in tonight at 2:30. Your angry words were flying across the room. You have every reason to cuss me up a stone, but don't go talking about how I was born. Yeah, leave my mama out of this. Why, it's not her fault I turned out like I did. You can tell me where to go or what to kiss, but leave my mama out of this. I don't mind, just give me your best shot. But don't go calling me something that I'm not. Yes, I know that all is fair in love and war, but this time, darling, you just went too far. Yeah, leave my mama out of this.